Naitwa David. So this is our second lesson. Tulianza kusoma Foundation of Computer Science grade 7. So tuko topic ya kwanza ambayo ni computer concepts. Tulianza na definitions. Tukasoma mambo ya kudefine computer science, data, information, tukaongea juu ya characteristics of computer. So tunapaswa tukuje hapa tuendelee kutoka hapo, na tunataka kuendelea na examples of computer. So tulisoma tukasema a computer, it is an electronic device that accepts inputs, does processing, then it gives outputs, and then it has capacity to store information there. So tukikuja hapa, what we usually know as what we refer kama computer ni hii ambayo tunaita desktop computer. So desktop computer ni kama hizi. So tukiona kitu kama hii, huwaga tunafikiria hii ndio computer. So tukisema computer tunamaanisha hii, lakini hii it is just one type, ama it is just an example, because we said anything that accepts inputs, does processing, and then it is able to give out output, it is what we call a computer. So this is just one example. We call it a desktop because you can place it on a desk. Then we have a laptop is another thing. A laptop, it is this one, so you can just use one picture. So we have a laptop like this one. So this is a laptop, so you can place it on your lap. Yeah? Unaweza iwekelea kwa mapaja. So that is a laptop. Then from this list we have tablets. So tablet is what people call simu kubwa. So it is that. So ziko hapo. This is the tablet. Then we have the notebook. Notebook is just like a laptop, but smaller in size. So notebook, we have notebook. Notebook is just like a laptop, but smaller in size. So that is a laptop. That is a notebook. So you can have it there. So this is a notebook. Then we have a notebook PDA, or personal digital assistants. They are used PDA. So we have them here. So it is just something to help you, like taking notes. So something like that. This is what we call PDA. Something like that. A PDA. I need the picture. So something like that. That is the PDA. Then we have the Surfer. Then Surfers, we have them here. We call them Surfers because they offer a surface to another device. For example, they are used where we have people are sharing like resources like printers, scanners, where people are sharing internet. So you can just see them. I don't know, like this one is a good one. So we have like this one. So this is a surfer. It is used to share resources. Yeah, it is surfer. It gives a surface to another device. Then we have iPad and MacBook. iPad is just like a tablet, but now when we say it is an iPad, is like a tablet. It's like a tablet, but now it is made for us. You can say that they are made for specific users, and because of quality, the performance is different from tablets. Then we have the same with MacBook. MacBooks are just like the laptops, but they are of high quality. They have performance is high, something like that. Then we have the smartphone and smartwatch. Smartphone, we know them. These are phones, the normal phones. So we have the smartphone. It is the phone, the usual phone. These ones, SIMO. That is what we call. It is a type of a computer because it accepts input. It does processing, and then it is able to give out the output, and then it is able to store that information there. That is the smartphone. Then we have the smartwatch. Smartwatch is like what? Smartwatch. We have them here. These are smartwatches. They are able to get input, they are able to process, then give you the output. Smartwatches. Then we have the workstations. Workstations, these are just normal computers. You can say that it can be desktop, laptop, but now workstations, they are made for a specific use. For example, the computers used for video editing, modeling, so those are workstations. The same as the watu wanaona nazo movies. Those computers, they are made with high performance, so they don't crash easily. So they can handle, we can say that they can handle a lot of work, yeah? Then they can run different operating systems. Operating systems ni program. Sinaweza handle program different at the same time. So we have that one. So they are called workstations. So we can have a workstation like this one. So it is the normal computer, but now it has higher specifications. So we have it there. We can have it there. So it is the normal ones. That is what we call the examples of computers. Then we can come to uses of computers. We can use computers to carry out several things, like performing arithmetic operations. So we can have a calculator. So I can just come here and search for calculator. So we have the calculator here. So this is a calculator. And using this calculator, I can come here and say I want it to be small. So, sorry. Need calculator, okay. Need it to be small. Yeah, it is here. So I can use it to carry out arithmetic operations like adding, like 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So then I can multiply 1, then we have times, sorry, here you cancel. So it is like I have 12 times 6, can get the answer. I can do like 3 divided by 8. So we have there. We can have minus 4. 4 minus lambda 2 equals 2. So we can have a calculator and carry out calculations, like the people who does financial institutions, people who carry out mathematical things. So we can use the calculator to perform arithmetics. Then we can use computer to draw design. If you are an illustrator, for example, I can come here and say there is a program we call Paint. So if I'm an illustrator, I can use it like this one. So I can come here and say I need to illustrate. So I can come and say I use green color. I can come here, I say I need this one. And so I can come here and say I need to change this color. So I have changed to green, this one. So I can come here and say I want to draw, I'm an illustrator. I can use it. I can come here, I want to draw something, so I can use that. I can come there. So an illustrator, you can use it like this one called Paint, to do painting, to do design. So there are so many programs. We shall come to see them as you continue with your studies, and then they help you to design or to do illustrations, like something like that. Then we can have to listen to music. So you can listen to music, either you can stream or the music on your computer. So I can stream here and can come here and say I have YouTube. So we can stream from YouTube. Then you can just come here and say I want to stream. And so if I come here, I can stream or listen to something here. I can come here and listen to one of my clips here. So it's there. So I can come and find it and get one of my clips like this class, and then you can listen. So it is there. Or music, you can come here and look for one of the singers or the musician. So you can come here and say I want somebody like who? Somebody like a song like Thank You Lord. So you can come here and more. Yeah, that is the song I wanted. So you can come here and listen to any song you want, so you can listen. So I don't want to listen for now, but you can listen. Yeah, you can just click here and listen to the music on your computer. I'll try to get another one in another class, and then I bring it in. Yeah, so that is listening to music. Then you can have you can search information, any information you want. You can just come here on the internet. So we use browsers like Chrome. This one is a Chrome. You can come here and search anything you want. I can just come here and say I want to know counties in Kenya. So if it is counties in Kenya, you can just search information and you can just get it here. So you can read anything you want on the internet. You can search information. Then type and compile reports. You can just use an application like this one. It is called Microsoft Word. You can just come open it, and then you can come here and type what you want to type. You can just come there and type what you want to type it if it is a report, and then you can compile it. So that is what we are supposed to learn from that class. So we are supposed to know those two things. We are supposed to come here and know examples of computers, and then learn about uses of computer. For your class, we shall stop there, and I can say that you have a good time. We shall continue running. Thank you.